Hello everyone, welcome to Nerja Education. This is class 9, Science, lesson number 5, Fundamental Units of Life. In this session, we are going to discuss on cell organelles. Before seeing my video, please go through my previous videos, then only you will get the connectivity. At the same time, please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Now, get into the chapter. What is mean by cell organelle? Cell organelles are nothing but a small organ-like structure present on the cytoplasm. That organelles are called cell organelle. In previous video, we discussed about prokaryote and eukaryotic cell. That eukaryotic cell discuss all kind of cell organelles are present. So, first we need to know the name of the cell organelles. These are the cell organelles. The first cell organelle is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, in short form we can tell ER. The second one is Golgi body, or we can tell Golgi apparatus also. Third one is mitochondria. Fourth one is lysosome. Fifth one is ribosome. Sixth is plastid. Seventh one is vacuole. These all are called cell organelles. We have to learn each and every cell organelle structure as well as function also. Here we are going to discuss about endoplasmic reticulum. I already told that short form is ER. What is mean by endoplasmic reticulum? Endo means inside. Plasmic means plasma membrane inside. Reticulum means a network-like structure. Network-like structure which present inside the plasma membrane, that structure is called endoplasmic reticulum. You just see this image, roughly I draw here. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is covered by, it is a network-like structure, right? It is a tube-like structure. This structure is different from cell to cell. At the same time also function also changes. Now this endoplasmic reticulum is covered by a double layer membrane. So we can tell it is a unit membrane. So endoplasmic reticulum is covered by a membrane. That membrane is called a unit membrane, double layer membrane. Unit means combined. Okay, this endoplasmic reticulum, it is a tubular like structure. It is a tube like structure. You just see a tubular part it is composed of. One end of the endoplasmic reticulum is connected with cell membrane, that is a plasma membrane. Another end is connected with nucleus. So one end is connected with plasma membrane, the another end is connected with nucleus, right? Then the endoplasmic reticulum classified into two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is R for rough. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough ER, RER. The second one is SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum can be classified into two types, RER and SER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is SER. Right. Now we want to know about what is RER, what is SER. Now look at the picture, children. Here I am just keeping one side pink color dot of the outer surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Here I mentioned this rough endoplasmic reticulum. This area you just see the pink color dots are not there. Here I mentioned SER. Now based on the dot only it is classified. What is a dot mean? That is a dot like part is called ribosome. Ribosome is nothing but is a one kind of cell organelle. Here I mentioned. Right. Suppose the ribosomes are present on the outer layer of endoplasmic reticulum, that endoplasmic reticulums are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Presence of ribosome on the endoplasmic reticulum, that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Suppose some of the endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are not present or it may be absent, it is not there. That endoplasmic reticulums are smooth appearance, that is why it is called a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. I hope you have understood. Based on the ribosome attachment, the endoplasmic reticulum classified two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough means outermost layer, the ribosomes are attached, that endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. If it is not there, absence of ribosome means that is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, normally the cell organelles we can't see our naked eye also. At the same time, we have to use high resolution microscope. Normal light microscope, compound microscope also even we can't see. This cell organelles we can see under the help of electron microscope. Who discovered the first endoplasmic reticulum means Porter. He is the scientist. He discovered first endoplasmic reticulum. Porter discovered endoplasmic reticulum in year 1948. So, Porter is discovered. Keep it in your mind. Next, we are going to discuss about what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum acts as a transporter. Why? Because it connected one end with nucleus, another end with cell membrane. So, whatever the substances is come inside the cell, the transportation is done by endoplasmic reticulum. Main function is transportation of material from in and out of the cell. Second function is it provides the site for ribosome. It provides the site for ribosome. Normally, the ribosomes are synthesized protein. So, it synthesizes protein. So, this endoplasmic reticulum's second function is it provides the site for protein synthesis. Clear? Keep it in your mind. Don't confuse. Protein is not synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. That is synthesized by ribosome. But it provides the place for ribosome. That is the reason I am telling site. Site means place. Place for ribosome. So, that is the reason I am telling again endoplasmic reticulum, site of protein synthesis. Clear? First point, transportation. Transport the material from in and out of the cell. Second function is it acts as a site of protein synthesis. Third function is normally the smooth endoplasmic reticulums are synthesized lipid. Lipids are nothing but it is a fatty material. So, that fatty materials are synthesized from this SER. So, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is synthesizing lipids. So, there are the three functions. Again I repeat, transportation, site for protein synthesis. Third one is synthesis of lipid. Synthesis of lipid. These are the three functions. I hope you have understood the structure of endoplasmic reticulum and its function. The remaining cell organelle one by one we will discuss in the next video. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.